I'm Kate Dillon with Crate Insider. I am here today with Tim Morgan from Boyd Bilt. And Tim, you've made this tire smasher, and I want to hear, well, tell me what it's called and tell me what you're doing with it.
Well, it is called a tire smasher. It's called our Tire Pro machine. Nothing new, and there's no magic here. It's just we're trying to find consistency in sets of tires.
Oh, and that would be a huge difference. So show us how it works. You just like push a button and tell us what we're learning.
You just load your tire up, hit the start button. It comes up, touches off on the tire, preloads 500 pounds, travels 1 inch. Within that 1 inch, there's 50 data points. It averages those numbers, and that's what gives us our load. So it'll ask us in a second to rotate the tire 180 degrees. We'll do that. It runs the same test again. That looks good. And then it will take those two numbers from each side of the tire, average those numbers, and that'll be our load for the number for the tire, for this particular tire.
Now, I really am not a tire expert by any means. So with these tire load numbers, does this help you with maybe you need to can you do something with adding air pressure to be able to balance them, or do you just need to get different tires?
You can adjust with air pressure. We think there's a window you need to be in because you changed the contact patch. So yes, and we're not looking for, not say a bad tire, but an abnormal tire, one that doesn't fit our sets that we need.
That's great. This is super cool. And where can people learn more about this?
Our Facebook page, Boyd Bilt Fabrication, or our website, www.boydbilt.com. Or Kate, she's a dealer.
Yeah. Awesome. Well, thanks so much, Tim. And we look forward to seeing you in another video because I know you love doing these.
I love these. Thanks for having me.
You bet.